So today guys we're making his armor, then that thing they have. We have the foot on the shirt here. Last one is this. Let's do it. So guys, we just cut the boots, netherite boots, and then we're just gonna glue this. So guys, we just glued the foot, and then we're just gonna cut this shirt, and then we're gonna where is it? So guys, we just cut the shirt, and then we're gonna glue. So guys, we're gonna wear it too. So guys, we just need the helmet.
Uma noite convocou, talvez cê tá com o popô é vapo, vapo no CT.